Why do flamingos sleep on one leg, and are they really pink? Stay tuned to find out. Welcome, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Today is Sky Sundays, and we will discover flamingos, the colorful birds that sleep on one leg. Flamingos are tall birds, usually around 1 to 1.5 meters or 3 to 5 feet tall, which is about as tall as kids are between 6 and 10 years old. They aren't heavy though, because their bodies are slim and their bones are hollow, just like most other birds. Even though they look elegant, they are surprisingly strong flyers. Flamingos can travel long distances in the air to find the best food and water. One of the most interesting things about flamingos is their color. Baby flamingos, called chicks, are actually born with gray or white feathers. It takes time for them to turn pink, and the color comes from what they eat. Flamingos feed on tiny creatures in the water called algae and shrimp. These little foods contain natural red and orange pigments, and when flamingos eat a lot of them, their feathers slowly turn pink. So, in a way, flamingos are walking proof that you are what you eat. Without those special foods, flamingos would stay pale and not develop their famous bright feathers. Flamingos are also known for their long, thin legs and webbed feet. Their legs are much longer than their bodies, which helps them wade into deeper water to find food. Sometimes, they even bend their necks all the way down into the water and hold their beaks upside down to filter out food. Watching them eat looks very unusual, almost like they are standing on their heads. Then there's the funniest fact of all. Flamingos often balance on just one leg for long periods of time. Scientists are still not completely sure why they do it, but some think it helps them save body heat or rest their muscles. Either way, it looks pretty silly. Flamingos are social animals, which means they live in large groups called colonies. These groups can have thousands of birds all living together in one place. Being in such a big group keeps them safe from predators, and it also helps them raise their chicks. Flamingo parents are very protective, and both the mother and father take turns caring for the baby. They even make a special type of milk in their throats, which they feed to their chicks. This bird milk is bright red and looks a bit gross, but it is full of nutrients that help the baby flamingo grow strong. Flamingos can be found in many parts of the world, especially near lakes, lagoons, and shallow waters in warm places like Africa, South America, the Caribbean, and Southern Europe. They love sunny, salty, and swampy areas where their favorite foods grow. So, flamingos are not just pink, tall birds that stand on one leg. They are strong flyers, careful parents, and clever feeders. They may look a little silly at times, but that's exactly why kids love them. Flamingos are living proof that nature can be both funny and fascinating. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.